how to manage multiple brands in your business, how to ensure that all the brands work together to build your business. Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of managing multiple brands in the business. But hey, let's keep it simple. First off, what is a brand? You may ask. Well, brands are like personalities of your products. Each brand has its own unique character. Think of the brands like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Nike, Adidas, Mercedes, Honda, and so on. Back in the 1930s, they had this idea: treat each brand like its own business. It means each brand will fight another brand from the external company as well as internal fighting within its own siblings in the same company. This was the birth of the brand management concept. But here is the big question. If you have multiple brands in the same company, how do you make sure that all the brands in the same company work together like a dream team to grow your company? Because when all of your brands grow together, your company grows too. If the brands within your company start competing with each other, gobbling each other up, it is going to be a zero-sum game. Nobody will win. Everybody will lose. So, how do you make these brands play nice together? First, don't let them step on each other's toes. Imagine your brands like superheroes, each with their own superpowers. Each of your brands should have a unique place and target audience in the market. Each of your brands should have its own unique purpose to serve the consumers. Airlines are a classic example. They have their fancy super premium airline brand for the premium passenger, the first and business class. But at the same time, they also introduce low-budget airlines for the budget travelers. Different strokes for different folks, right? Be bold when deciding which brand gets the most resources. Sometimes you have to be that tough boss and say, these brands are our top priorities, but the other brands, sorry to say, are not making to the list yet. If you are running an airline business, this means giving the free Wi-Fi benefit for your premium brand. On the other hand, your budget airlines gets no frills treatment. The real test is to stay true to the role each brand plays within your brand family. Stay focused on the big picture, even if it means you need to sacrifice smaller brand to achieve bigger things. Now, here is a nugget of wisdom. Do not put all of your eggs in the same basket. Just like in investing, diversification is key. Your brands will have its own ups and downs. That's just life. The trick is to use your brand portfolio like chess pieces. If one is down, another can step up to defend your territory. It's like having a wingman in a dogfight. But here is the secret sauce. Please do have a strategic plan. Do not just focus on each brand in isolation. Step back and think of the bigger picture. That is where the magic happens. Now, over to you. How do you manage a bunch of brands within your business portfolio? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this podcast beneficial, then please click like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thanks for tuning in. May you always be successful. All the best.